guys, today I'm going to show Nintendo Switch box. As you guys can see, got the Nintendo itself. I've got the racing wheels, got the case for traveling. I also got another set racing wheels, one extra controller. The two games I got is Mario Kart, very good with entertainments, keep everyone busy, and also got FIFA 23. My boys, they love football like me. Let me put the stuff, all the other gadgets outside, and let me move out of the way, and then I'm going to open the Nintendo Switch, what's inside, and let you know what it comes with. Okay. So let's open it. Okay, let's flip it this way. As you guys can see, it comes with two controllers, as usual, everyone knows. Two controllers now, which means we have 4 controllers. All my kids can enjoy. This is the Nintendo, nice and smooth, quite light, not heavy at all. That what else it comes with. This is the ones connected controllers. So you connect them like this. They have a plus and a minus sign, so they all go. Slide them. And only one way is you can slide it is because from this side, you slide the way up, and that's it. It clicks, and then when you got the controller, you put your hand inside. You make it a little bit tight so it doesn't get. Make it tight, and then you can play the game. And the next things that comes with, and this wraps out the way. The chargers itself. This is the laptop, the Nintendo. Connect it. And as you guys can see, that's how you charge it. It's a little bit tight. So put that one on the side too. It also comes with a HDMI cable. So you can connect this Nintendo Switch to the TV if you want to. Or you can connect your controllers on the side. So let me take this one out. Slide it out, and then you put this slide, always slide it from the top, and then you click it, that's it. And the memory card and the power button. As you can see, it's asking for Wi-Fi connection straight away. You connect the Wi-Fi connection, the memory card where the games go in to hold the controllers, and also got the dock to charge when you're connecting to the TV. Yeah, this one you take it out, the connection, and this one's got the HDMI connection, and it's also got the internet. RJ485, the adapter, the AC adapter. So once you plug it in, you take these controllers first by pressing this button at the top. It's got a small button, you push it, and it comes off loose. But make sure you're holding your Nintendo Switch. And then this slides in like this. It sits in easily. And then you can connect your HDMI connection to the TV, and you connect it that way. And then you have your controllers. While you sit in your sofa, you play the game. And where else it comes? That's it. That's all it comes with. So if you guys find this helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me thumbs up. Thank you for watching.